So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well. You can also fold that rear seat down as one complete unit to give you even more space again should you wish to. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the fuel gauges and coolant temperature gauge. And then below that, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 17,050. You can change the information displayed in that main section to include a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control with speed limiter over on the left-hand side and stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side. In the center, you'll then find the touchscreen for the car. So we're on the audio menu at the moment. There are a few ways to listen to your music: AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, and also Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. Once you paired your phone, which is done by hitting the phone icon, and then you would search for a device and follow the instructions on screen from there. You can connect up your smartphone via the cable it came with, and you can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well, should you wish to do that. We have the main volume for the stereo below that. To the right hand side of the screen, we have deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. Heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, heated steering wheel, and the city button will make the power steering lighter for parking or for driving in the city, of course. Below that, we then have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed and the direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute. It's a bit hard to see, but there's a light, you can see it there. So it's off when the light is off, and then on when that light is on there. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. It's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The plus and minus button will enable you to change up and down a gear manually, should you wish to do that. And then underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input, as well as a couple of cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.